I am Dr. Sanjay Altekar, consultant gastroenterologist practicing in Goa. I will give a brief description of hepatitis, the causes of hepatitis, the symptoms, how to diagnose, what is the treatment and what are the preventive measures which can be taken. What does hepatitis mean? Hepatitis for a common man means swelling of the liver and in medical terms means inflammation of the liver. The common causes of hepatitis includes alcohol, hepatitis viruses like hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. Other causes would be drugs or toxins and metabolic problems. Of these, common problems will be hepatitis A and E, in which patients will have history of fever, nausea, vomiting, generalized weakness, fatigue and joint pains. Most of these patients with hepatitis A and E will recover spontaneously without any specific therapy and complications. Unlike hepatitis B or C, which mostly are incidentally detected, that is, they are diagnosed on routine investigations for other tests being done. Most of these patients with hepatitis B and C have no symptoms at all. How is hepatitis B and C transmitted? Hepatitis B and C are exclusively transmitted through blood products and body fluids which are infected. Hence, patients who use infected syringes, repeated use of needles for tattooing, patients who are on dialysis, unsafe sexual practices, infected mother to the child, these are the ways where hepatitis B and C can get transmitted. As told earlier, most of the patients would be asymptomatic, but a small number of these patients can progress to liver cirrhosis, that is irreversible liver damage, liver cancer and liver cell failure and death. So hence hepatitis B and C needs to be aggressively monitored and treated. Now what are the treatment measures, modalities available for hepatitis B? For hepatitis B, most of them would be carriers, that is having the virus but are silent. A majority of them would not require any specific therapy. When treatment is required, there are different treatments for hepatitis B and C, like injectable drugs which are interferons, standard interferons, pegylated interferons and oral antiviral drugs like entecavir, tenofovir, lamivudine, adifovir and newly available antiviral drugs. These are of long-term duration treatment. As far as the preventive measures are concerned, as discussed earlier, the preventive measures would be to avoid infected blood, body fluids and infected blood products. So always use disposable needles, disposable syringes. Do not share your razors for shaving or any other nail cutters or toothbrushes. Practice safe sex, and patients on hemodialysis need to undergo regular testing for hepatitis B and hepatitis C virus. For hepatitis B, there is a vaccine which is available. So all human beings, everybody, especially healthcare workers, including class 4 employees of the hospitals, staffs, doctors, paramedical staff, should get vaccinated with hepatitis B vaccine. For the last 10 to 15 years, the government of India is providing free vaccine to all the newborns who are born. For hepatitis C, unfortunately, there is no vaccine which is available. We need to follow the standard preventive measures.